Welcome back to the AB Autos Reviews, gearheads. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting compact cars of the year, the 2025 Mazda 3. Whether you're a longtime fan of Mazda's Kodo design philosophy or someone looking for a fun, stylish, and tech-packed daily driver, this car might just be the perfect fit. Now, Mazda has a reputation for delivering cars that look amazing, drive like a dream, and feel premium without breaking the bank. But the real question is, does the 2025 Mazda 3 live up to the hype? Stick with me as we break down everything, from its sleek new design to its revamped performance, interior luxuries, cutting-edge tech, and what it's actually like to drive. And hey, if you enjoy car content like this, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an in-depth review. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Mazda 3 is its striking presence. Mazda has always nailed the less is more approach to design, and this year's model refines that philosophy even further. From the front, you get a sharper, more aggressive grille that seamlessly blends with sleek LED headlights, creating a bold yet sophisticated look. The designers have given the front bumper subtle tweaks for a more aerodynamic feel, and trust me, it works. Along the sides, the flowing body lines remain, but Mazda has refined them even further to enhance the car's sculpted, muscular stance. And check this out, new for 2025, we have an updated wheel design, available in 18-inch gloss black alloys that add a premium, sporty touch. At the rear, the signature LED taillights remain, but they now feature a 3D lighting effect that makes the Mazda 3 look even more high-end at night. The dual exhaust tips on the Premium Plus trim screen performance, hinting at the car's true capabilities under the hood. And Mazda didn't forget about color choices. This year, we get a brand new deep crimson red metallic and ceramic white, joining classic shades like Soul Red Crystal and Machine Gray. So, design-wise, Mazda nailed it once again. But let's talk about what's really important, how it drives. Step inside the 2025 Mazda 3, and you're immediately welcomed by a driver-focused cockpit that feels more upscale than its price tag suggests. Mazda has always excelled in crafting minimalist yet elegant interiors, and this year's model is no exception. The first thing you'll notice: the materials. Soft touch surfaces, genuine leather options, and an updated Alcantara trim on the Premium Plus model make this feel like a luxury car. The seats, supportive and comfortable, whether you're on a long road trip or attacking corners. Heated seats come standard on most trims, and ventilated seats are now available for the first time. Now, let's talk tech. The infotainment system gets a major upgrade with a 10.3-inch widescreen display, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mazda's Commander control dial is still here, giving you a more intuitive way to interact with the system without taking your eyes off the road. And for audiophiles, Mazda has kept the Bose 12-speaker premium sound system, delivering crisp, immersive audio that makes every drive more enjoyable. On the safety front, Mazda's iActiveSense suite now includes enhanced adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keep assist with improved precision, a 360-degree camera system for better visibility in tight spaces. Overall, this interior is where Mazda flexes its luxury muscles. For the price, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better cabin experience. Now, Mazda doesn't just build cars to look good, they build them to drive great. The 2025 Mazda 3 continues that legacy with a choice of two engines. 2.5L Skyactiv G engine, the standard powertrain, pushing 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. It's efficient, refined, and provides plenty of pep for daily driving. 2.5L turbocharged engine, the real treat, producing 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque on premium fuel. This engine transforms the Mazda 3 into a sleeper sports sedan. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual. Yes, you heard that right. Mazda is keeping the manual alive, at least for the enthusiast crowd. And here's the kicker: Mazda's iActive AWD system is available, giving you enhanced grip and control, whether you're carving up twisty roads or tackling wet conditions. But the real magic is in the handling. The Mazda 3 continues to deliver one of the most engaging driving experiences in its class. The steering is sharp, the chassis is well balanced, and thanks to Mazda's G-Vectoring Control Plus, the car feels incredibly stable through corners. And let's talk about ride comfort. Mazda has improved sound insulation, making highway cruising quieter than ever. The suspension is also tuned to absorb bumps better, making the 2025 Mazda 3 feel more premium than some luxury brand rivals. Bottom line, this car is an absolute joy to drive. Whether you're commuting or hitting back roads, you'll have a smile on your face. Mazda has also improved efficiency. The base engine achieves up to 30 mpg city and 40 mpg highway, while the turbocharged model delivers around 27 mpg combined, impressive considering the power it packs. As for pricing, the base model starts around $24,000, while the range-topping Premium Plus AWD Turbo sits just under $37,000. That's a steal considering the performance and luxury you're getting. So, should you buy the 2025 Mazda 3? If you want a compact car that turns heads, delivers an engaging drive, and feels more premium than it should, then yes, absolutely. Mazda has once again refined the formula, making this car a top contender in the segment. While rivals might offer hybrid powertrains or more tech gimmicks, the Mazda 3 focuses on what truly matters: style, driving dynamics, and premium craftsmanship. What do you think? Would you pick the 2025 Mazda 3 over its rivals like the Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or Hyundai Elantra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth car reviews right here on the channel. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.